Good evening to all. Greetings. Today I am going to talking about the meteorological measurement and instrument requires, especially that are using in my country Nepal. I am Ram Prasad Avasthi from Department of Hydrology and Meteorology, Government of Nepal. I will concentrate it on those topics, something like about the country backgrounds, then after meteorological observation, meteorological instrumentation, and what are the limitations and lackings in my country. And then I will conclude my presentation. Especially Nepal is the country of the highest mountain in the world, Mount Everest. You know about this. Major weather systems are may influenced by the South Asian monsoon, and which contributes 80% of annual rainfall during summer monsoon. It varies with the days. Average monsoon duration will be 105 days in Nepal. And there are four seasons: pre-monsoon season, March to May; monsoon, June to September; and then post-monsoon, October, November; and winter, December, February. This is the physiographical region. They are divided into five divisions. There is the rapid variation in the altitudinal differences, ranges from 60 to the height of Mount Everest. Now talks about meteorological observation. Actually, the Department of Hydrology and Meteorology is observing different kind of observation like precipitation, climate parameter, temperature, humidity, sunshine, duration, and similarly, agrometeorological station measures temperature, pressure, relative humidity, evaporation, soil temperature, wind speed, wind direction, and so on. Similarly, aeronautical station and synoptic station are observing the 3-hourly and hourly observation with reference to the WMO standard time of observation in Nepal, followed by the WMO standards. Let's talk about the hydrometeorological network in Nepal. There are the different kinds of station which varies over the Nepal. Those shows the hydrological and let me concentrate on the meteorological observation in Nepal. We have the only one radar station, then after one radio sound stations, and then we have around 13 aerosynoptic stations, 9 synoptic stations, and similarly there are many precipitation station which observes only rain gauge, and then climate station around 140 stations, and similarly we have around 100 automatic weather station. Some of them comprises only rainfall, and some of them comprises rainfall, temperature, humidity, solar radiation, etc. And those are the instrumentation include for the station established for observing different kinds of parameters in Nepal. And mainly you guys can see here that the high mountainous regions have lacking in the observation networks, and because of the limited access to those places, and it's due to the geographical complexity and so on. We have the dense networks in the mid Nepal and mid mountain regions. We have, and in the even though the southern parts we have the dense networks of the observations. Okay, what is the meteorological instrument? You can see that here are different instrumentation like the thermometers, evaporimeters, evaporation pan, then wind van, wind direction, and then after the rain gauge also, and a barometer and sunshine recorder. Those are the mainly the instrument which comprises the full set of station or meteorological observing station in Nepal, that known as the synoptic station. And then the climate station includes only the Stevenson scale, which comprises comprises the thermometers, variable, board, maximum and minimum. Then similarly the one rain gauge that comprises that's for the climate station. For rain gauge station we have only the rainfall station includes only rain gauge. That may be the automatic rain gauge or the manual rain gauge. That's all. So automatic surveys observing systems which measures the automatic weather station which may be near real time, and or that may be the full fully automatic stations. Automatic station, those kinds of station transmits the data through the GPRS and CDMA systems within the 10 to 13 minutes, depending on the site condition. It depends only on the geographical reason. That is, some stations are automatically offline and some are those stations. And we have also the station that observes the water level in the major rivers, that are also automatic. Let me talk about the automatic pressure. Automatic atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is measured by using the mercury barometer. Those are only fixed in the synoptic and aerosynoptic station. And also there is the pressure sensor, which which record automatically the atmospheric pressure. And similarly, air temperature and real relative humidity, there are manual thermometers, liquid in glass thermometer, and then the automatic temperature sensor which is used for the automatic station. Similarly, wind speed directions and the direction, that is the mechanical cope anemometer and wind vane are used for the wind speed and directions. Then we have also the automatic sonic anemometer, who is used to the automatic record of the wind speed and directions. Similarly, we have the precipitation measure. We usually use the US standard ordinary rain gauge, and then we have the weighing type and tipping bucket type rain gauge for the automatic record of the rainfall. And similarly, solar radiation and sunshine duration, we use the sunshine recorder of the Campbell stock sunshine recorder, that is the Campbell, made in London. And then we use the global solar radiation by using the CMP6 thermopile sensor, silicon sensor. And similarly, there are the different, we have been applying the national standards and use for the maintenance as well as the operation of the instruments. And similarly, we are using the frequency for the traveling of the instruments for the different sensor and instruments too. And then after we have the calibration laboratory at the Department of Hydrology and Meteorology. We have the hygrograph chambers, that especially it is the world chambers, and that is nowadays being world. So we are transferring from the semi-automatic record of the hygrograph, thermograph to the fully automatic by the sensor. So it is now somehow not working. We have been replacing this through the automatic sensor. So it is not. Similarly, we have the automatic pressure sensor. And let me talk about the snow measurement and the glacier monitoring. We have been establishing the automatic station and the precipitation station in the high altitude in the Himalayan regions, like the glaciers. You can see here the Alabes Camp Langtang Valley, which have established the automatic weather stations, and some dig some snow pits and snow stakes to measure the snow conditions in the glaciers. Those are the instruments used for the snow survey. I just have presented here. We have the other limitations. We have only one radar, only one operator stations, and we don't have air quality monitoring station, but only one station is there. So we have limitation in wind and solar specification and measurements we don't have, and similarly we are lacking for those. And meteorological stations, especially there is the major data gaps in the high Himalayan regions. Let me conclude about the temperature, rainfall, humidity, and sunshine duration. However, some of the observation data available from 1950s, but there are some laggings. needs to reconstruct the network and meteorological station with automation based on the sectoral demands like agriculture, tourism, water resources, energy, aviation, snow and glacier, etc. Needs to upgrade the whole observation in order to tackle reliable meteorological service for the sake of reducing loss due to hydrometeorological hazard in Nepal. Thank you all. If you have any question, you can just email me. Thank you very much. Stay.